Hi, my name is Laura Hill. I am part of the Clarusway alumni, and proudly so. Right now, I am the Chief of Staff of Global Solution Engineering at Bentley Systems. Bentley Systems is a parametric software company. We build software for big infrastructure projects all around the world. It's a very exciting role, and it combines business and technology in a very impactful way. The reason why I enrolled in Clarusway DevOps and Cloud Engineering program a couple of years ago was my desire to learn, challenge myself, and be competitive in the job market. Everybody talks about technology, but what is technology? How do we really do it? And I had a desire to learn. The most important thing that I got out of Clarusway was not just the knowledge and the many tools and the systems that we learned together as a class in the classroom. It was the idea and the notion that we can do hard things, that we can learn, no matter where we come from, no matter our background. If we are determined, if we're disciplined, we can achieve great things. And it was beautiful to do it actually with other people that felt similarly to how I felt at that time. We were a little bit scared in the beginning, we were hesitant, and we had a lot of doubts about how and if we would be able to overcome these challenges, but we did together. And the instructors and the friends that I met in the program were really meaningful and helpful in that sense. Also, one of the most important things that I learned about being part of Clarusway was to never ever give up. When things get a little tricky, when we are not sure, we are to continue. We are to put our best foot forward and seek for help. It's okay to raise hands and say, I need more attention here, I need more work here, I need a tutor, a buddy, someone, and it's okay to do that. So it's been both a lesson of humility, but also a lesson of resilience. And frankly, I would do it over and over again, probably if I could. There's a part of me that wants to come back for actually upskilling or maintaining the skill sets. You would be surprised, but in the workplace, you will end up doing things that, yes, are outside of your comfort zone, but in the end, you will get a specialty of your specific skill sets. And it's good to come back to school and revisit things that you may want to learn, things that still interest you, even if it's not in your day-to-day as a professional. If someone came to me today and asked me about my experience, honestly, about Clarusway, I would say that it's been one of the best things that have happened to me. Not just because of the professional opportunities that came along with it, of course that's important, but also because of the person that I have become thanks to Clarusway. I would have never probably searched or even proposed myself into a tech role, without the confidence that Clarusway gave me. And this is one of the most important takeaways. It doesn't matter if you're enrolled in AWS DevOps, Cloud, or data science, ML, or software engineering. I think Clarusway will give you the tools, but it will give you the belief in self that you can do it, and you will do it.